How to make any song your alarm on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the settings of your device. After that, scroll down and then tap on sound and vibration over here. As you tap on sound and vibration, you'll be able to see three options: notifications, ringtone and alarm. So just tap on alarm and here you'll be able to see different ringtones or alarm tones over here. Now if you want to make any song your alarm on Android, so here I'm going to choose a local ringtone which I've already downloaded on my device. So just tap on choose local ringtone, then tap on music, and after that you can see different songs over here. You can select any one of them. So if I'm going to select this one, then tap on OK. So just tap on apply. Okay, now go back and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.